In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two remote job opportunities. Both these opportunities are full-time roles where you can work from home or anywhere. The first job role is for customer success specialist, and here the company has asked for only a little experience in the field of customer success, and you should have good English communication skills. And as this is a remote work from home opportunity, you will have the flexibility to work from home or anywhere, and you will also be having health insurance benefits. Second job role is for document specialist. This is a very simple kind of role, and the role is with a multinational company, and this is a full-time remote opportunity. Here the job role is very simple as a document specialist. So you will be working as a document specialist and compiling all the study related documents. And the company used to conduct clinical studies for different pharmaceutical molecules and like drugs. So you will be required to collect all the study related documents, and you will also be required to check if the documents are as per the study guidelines or the regulatory guidelines. And also you will be required to check the quality control and project management thing. And here you'll not be required to have any kind of a specific experience or education. However, the company is into the field of medical research and clinical studies, so it is good if you have if you already have some sort of education or background in the field of medical or like life is good. It will be good if you already have some experience or education or background in the field of medical writing or clinical study or clinical research, or like if you have a background in life sciences, you could be a good fit for this position. Now let's start with the first company. The first job role is for customer service specialist, and here the company's name is Astra Security, and it is into cybersecurity services. So here the company is offering remote position, which is a full-time remote position. The company is looking for customer success specialist. You will be handling customers during onboarding and making them astronauts. So basically, you will be helping customers understand the products of the company, and also you will be required to upsell the company's products and cross sell. So this is a role where you will be required to serve customers, resolving their queries, telling them about the products and services, and also you will be helping them buy a correct product. And also here the role will also require collaboration with the sales, security, and marketing team. Okay, so here you will be collaborating with other team members, as everything will be remotely because this is a remote opportunity. If you talk about the qualification background, so because the company is into cybersecurity services, they are asking for someone with a computer science background or IT background. So here is about the eligibility criteria. If you have a little experience in the field of customer success or customer service kind of roles, you could be a preferred candidate. So here the company has mentioned that around 1 to 3 years of experience in customer success will work. You should have excellent written and verbal communication skills, because here you will be dealing with the customers in using English language. So it is important that you are well versed in English language skills. And also, you should have ability to build rapport with the stakeholders, willingness to work in a remote setup. You should have technical knowledge required to work in a cybersecurity organization's customer-facing role, because you will be helping customers, providing them information related to cybersecurity products, and helping them in resolving their queries. So it is important that if you already have some sort of experience or knowledge in this particular field, you could be a better candidate for this position. And if we talk about the roles and responsibilities, as a customer success specialist, you will be ensuring like smooth customer onboarding. So basically, you will be onboarding the new customers, and also you will be dealing with the existing customers of the company. You will be championing product adoption, ensuring renewals of accounts assigned to you. You will be understanding customer requirements and translating them into deliverables. You will be looking after stakeholders management between various teams and customers. Also, you need to build rapport with the customers, because here your reputation is very important among customers. Then because then only they will be willing to work with you. They will be willing to accept your offers or product related offers. And also you will be required to upsell or cross sell complementary Astra products. You will be required to maintain customer success platform. You will be attending to customer emails and phone calls on a daily basis. So here, as a customer success specialist, you will be attending customers' calls and emails, and you will be replying to those emails as well as phone calls and helping customers understand everything and resolving their queries. You will be ensuring timely delivery by communicating across teams. So it is important that you talk with your customers, and accordingly you will be collaborating with your team members to make sure that the services or the products are getting delivered on time. If we talk about the benefits, the company has not mentioned about the salary range. However, if we talk about the other benefits, this is a remote work from home opportunity, and the company will offer you health insurance benefits also for you as well as for your spouse. Also, you will be getting some vacations or like vacations, so to go to certain places as your work trip at places like Chikmagalur or Jim Corbett, etc. Now, if this job interests you, you can apply from here, and this is the application form that you can fill up. You need to upload your resume and fill up your name, your email ID, mobile number, and your current job roles. Here you will be required to Here you will be required to provide, if you're a fresher or project lead or project manager, and the years of experience that you already have, the qualification and current employer, salary, expected salary, and social links. So you must have your LinkedIn profiles link. So, and you need to upload your resume, cover letter, then CAPTCHA. Okay, then submit your application form. The next job role is for document specialist with the company Paraxel. This is a multinational company in the field of medical or pharmaceutical research. So the company basically conducts different clinical studies, and here the company is hiring for document specialist role. This is a full-time remote opportunity, and this job role is only for people located in India. Paraxel used to help or pharmaceutical companies conduct clinical trials and provide regulatory consulting services, and helping companies providing market access and clinical development solutions for their drugs or molecules. Paraxel has not mentioned about any kind of a specific qualification or experience. So as a document specialist, what you will be doing, you will be first like you will be required to compile and publish the clinical study documents. So yeah, this is a very simple kind of role. Although the company has listed several job roles, this is a very simple kind of role as a document specialist. You will be required to compile appendices to clinical study reports in compliance with appropriate regulatory requirements with support of the project lead and lead medical writer. Here you will be working with a team of medical writers. What you will be doing, you will be required to compile appendices. Like you will be required to just compile all the documents at one place so that the company will be able to publish the clinical report. Okay, here you will be required to work with internal or external clinical and or project leadership functions to ensure that appendix documentation is complete and complies with the relevant guidelines. So here what you will be doing, you will be required to go through all the regulatory kind of like regulatory guidelines, and you will be ensuring that all the documents, especially the appendix documents. Appendix basically are the supporting documents that the company used to provide along with the clinical study or along with the clinical study report at the end of the study. So these are basically the supporting documents. So you will be required to provide or compile all these kind of documents. You need to ensure that all these documents are um, as per the regulatory guidelines. You will be required to understand global regulatory submission formats, industry standards and guidelines, and publishing best practices. Basically the company will be publishing the clinical study documents. So you will be required to what you will be doing, you will be basically understanding the regulatory submission guidelines, formats, and what are the industry standards and guidelines, and like how the clinical studies used to publish. you need to ensure that everything is as per the guidelines, and you will be using departmental publishing software to produce electronic deliverables, that is like online deliverables, to ensure insertion of navigability features and an accurate intra-document hyperlinking according to SOP or client or regulatory requirements. So you will be basically collaborating with the client as well related to the study guidelines, and you will be helping them prepare the like online documents as well. You will be performing MS Word formatting of clinical documents according to SOP, client or regulatory requirements. You will be inserting tables if requested, coordinate production and distribution of draft and final documents to project team and client, organize and track delivery of all deliverables. So here basically what you will be doing, you will be a part of the team where clinical study reports is being published. So you will be required to check out all the documents. You will be required to compile everything at one place, and you will be required to see if all the documents are as per the requirement, as per the regulatory guidelines, and also they are as per the SOPs or like standard practices, and as per the clients and regulatory guidelines. You may be required to do like a certain formatting kind of thing, or if the company or the client wants you to prepare a table or anything, like you everything you will be doing on like your laptop or remotely. You will be helping them create a well organized study report, clinical study report. And also you will be ensuring that all work is complete and of high quality prior to delivery. You will be providing support on software and document related issues to MWS staff as required, like medical writing staff. So here you will be getting all kind of support as well, because you will be working with medical writers team. Quality control is also a part of the roles and responsibilities as a document specialist. So you will be ensuring that all work is complete and of high quality prior to team distribution or shipment to client. So basically, because the company is going to so basically the company is working on clients. You will be checking everything for the quality, and you will be distributing to the team and shipping to the client. Also, you will be ensuring document is submission ready as per appropriate regulatory guidelines and comply with departmental, corporate, or client SOPs and style guidelines as applicable. So, because the client used to provide all the SOPs and like formatting guidelines, so you will be ensuring that everything has been met, or all the criteria has been met or not. So, accordingly, you will be doing all the changes, and you will be requesting like medical writers to do the changes, etc. Also, you will be requested to provide the review of the draft and final documents prepared by other DS, like document specialists, before internal or external distribution. In addition to this, the role also required to work as a product manager, document project manager. Here you will be working under departmental supervision. You will be required to serve as contact for compilation and publishing projects, supports negotiating deliverable timelines, and resolving project related issues. So here you will also be required to work as a like project manager kind of role. You will be serving as the document specialist representative on assigned project with departmental supervision. So basically, you will not be, as I said already, that you will not be working alone. You will be having like supporting team staff, or you will be working with team members, and you will be taking help from them, and also and providing help to those people. And you will be communicating requirements, conduct team review of draft and final documents. You will be required to attend study team meetings to agree on expectations, inform about the timeline and advanced document publishing to approval according to Paraxel or client guidelines or SOPs. So as I said that you will be required to make sure that all the study documents are as per the SOPs or client guidelines or like regulatory guidelines, and uh, you will be telling everything to your team members. You will also be required to review the draft and the final report, and you will be required to provide your own feedback on the draft or the documents. And also you will be required to distribute final documents to project team and client only if agreed. You will be performing collection of documentation for assembly of project files and client deliverables. You will also be working as a project manager. So working as a document specialist, you will be required to attend and complete mandatory corporate, project specific and departmental training as required. So basically this training will help you to work remotely, uh, to to work as a document specialist, because here you will be learning everything remotely and from other team members, from other staff members, and you will be assisting or helping in the training or mentoring of new departmental staff as required. So this is very good that you will also be getting like on the job training. Like you will be attending departmental and company meetings as necessary. You need to comply with departmental procedures and requirements such as completion of project assignment and workload trackers. On the applicable software platform, you will be providing administrative support if requested. So that's it. This is a simple document specialist kind of role where you will be helping the company, the client, to compile the study report or the clinical study report. Basically, what happens that when a company when a company wants to uh, when a company wants to launch any particular drug or any particular medicine in the market, what they do, they used to conduct clinical studies, clinical research over that product or over that drug. They will be required to conduct the clinical study or do the clinical trials as per the required guidelines. And what happens that they will be required, they need to document everything, each and every step what they do while conducting this clinical study, and everything need to be documented. And here you will be working as a document specialist to support them and also to help them compile the study documents and basically to publish the clinical study reports, because this will be helping the client to launch their product, to launch their drug in the market. So the document basically used to work as a like a support document with the product or with the pharmaceutical drug. So it is a very like it is very important role. But here you will be working as a document specialist, so you will be getting support from other like medical writers or like other team members. Other document specialists will also be there in your team. So you will be working remotely. You will be doing everything remotely or through your laptop or desktop. So go
And
ahead, and if this kind of role interests you, go ahead and check out the details before you apply. And if you are interested, you can apply from here, and you can use your resume to autofill